definitely heard this one.
I've never heard the second pitch like that.
Yeah,
Bad
we've
bitch.
never heard any of these.
Bad bitch.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do it.
Cause you know you are a bad bitch. You know.
Colin, Keynes, who's
What's
up
up?
first? You mean? Who wants it? Who's gonna take it?
Hey.
Never stop, cause you gotta do it famous.
Hey.
Yo, boy, go ahead and take another seat. You know you can't compete with this Kings. Yeah, your name Colin, but you need me. Matter of fact, pass you shit to Boji.
Oh shit, that's crazy. I got the fucking camera. Everybody know that I do this like a savage, yo. I'm all up in the game, but I do it crazy. Know these bitches looking, but you're looking like a baby. Oh, bitch, you on your fucking menstrual cycle. Everybody do this like a tycho. Like a tycho, like a fucking little car. Everybody looking, but I'm looking like a little bra. Cause I gotta. So we go back and forth before we rip the clip, dip it, while I snip the slip, dip and dive when I'm rolling up tonight when they was on that. So on the road, get it right back, BOJ, why is that? So when I break back, gotta bring it right back. Collar pack, kitty pack, gonna bring it back. Like bring it back, hit it lack. Listen, gotta see the track, you know what is coming next when you gotta see the facts. See the facts, gotta see it straight like a poltergeist. Gotta bring it back, take 'em out like a different life. And it's a different life, how I get it off the night. I was trying to tell them something true when I'm rolling right. Rolling down the night when I was doing something simple, like doing it by. Oh shit, I feel like a pimple, cause I'm simple. Everybody know I gotta do it, cause I gotta bring it bigger. And I never pull the trigger, but make sure you bring a fucking lighter, cause I gotta roll up my cigar. Oh, Gotta bring it bigger, cause a kid like me do it better. Like, what's up, CSP? Don't spit that shit. So we gonna take it off like a fucking violin. And rip that quick, I tell them off slick. Who is that, man? It's pick. I'ma do it till I exist in a different fashion. Lights, cameras, action. I think I said that before, but that's alright tonight because it's passion. I let them last up, but they never heard me before, but I'ma crash up. If you ain't got that, well, just take an offense to a different rhymes. When I was rolling around at Brent, wanna hit it, get it. When I'm rolling down the block, they say you with it. I know that I am, so don't fuck around with the man who was that. Well, you gotta understand who is coming true. Who is coming true? Who is that? I think
Is it
it's
you?
Kings
Is
on
it
the
you?
booth. I think that it's Kings on the booth. Tap, and gon' tell them the truth.
I'ma keep it real, yes, I'ma keep it false. Every time I run, I'm about to crisscross. You know my game, I'm eating applesauce. Every time they come around, I'm about that loss. Yo, shit, not again. You know this dude be doing out of pain.
So we spit it like there's no beat.
What that think there is again?
Here we go again, yeah, it's just that Kings. Do it on the bed, then I do it on the streets. Freak on the bed, no freak in the streets. That's what I'm looking for, that's right, that's the Kings. Get the beat, yeah, get it right. Hit the beat, yeah, hit it every single night. What you about? What you up like? I'ma do this shit every night.
Every night, every day.
I don't need no sleep. Everybody knows that I'm waking up in a dream. Cause I'm Kings when you wake it up this scene. Man, I got so many greens. Did you?
And it's unclean.
Oh.
Tell
I
them,
said
baby,
there's
what you
nothing
gonna
clean.
say you mean? I'ma take it from the pipe, wanna do it light, but you know I gotta hit it, even if it's with the light. Take a flick with a pick and realize I'm sick. Who is this motherfucker stepping out looking rich? That ain't me though, I gotta rep it slow-mo. Even if I gotta do it even in the dojo. But that was nothing, truer than the rest. But I gotta tell them all that classic pray to the death. How we live, how we got it big. How you gotta tell them that you fully in the biz. But not yet, even if I better bet that I gotta take it next. Breathe it through my chest, but I know that we was rolling and it's stolen high. Tell them it's golden, y'all know you told them. Don't play around, don't even throw it down when I gotta do it big. And I'ma get now, get it with the verbs, even with the nouns. Do it like I know who is this and it's grounded, even if you now it. I ain't gotta trip it right, but I know I'm down it. Straight up now.